Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys this little trick that I use when I wear false lashes. I do when I don't have a lot of eyeliner or eye makeup on. But you know, as you can see, I'm bald headed and I still want to look like I have lashes. You know, you can see the band and it just looks hella tacky. Used to sort of fake people out and make the lashes look like they are your own, so nobody can tell they're fake. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then make sure to stay watching. Okay, so this trick works best with lashes that are not really thick, like the bands are not really thick, they're real thin. And all you're gonna do is put the glue on like you usually do and wait till it gets tacky. And then there's a little trick that you can do with your eyelid that covers the band. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on. The glue that I always use is the Duo glue. I love this stuff because it dries clear, especially for this kind of look when you don't have any eyeliner or anything on. You want it, you know, you don't want the glue to be showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on and then we'll get started. Okay, so I went ahead and put the glue on the lash. For this particular trick, you want to make sure that the glue is nice and tacky. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the lash on like I normally do, but instead of sort of setting that lash up, like, you know, to place it, I'm going to go ahead and just sort of make sure that it stays sort of straight out. I will link my lash video up in the eye for you guys to see. That shows like how I put lashes on, but this I'm going to go ahead and place on my eye. I forgot to mention I am already wearing mascara. I already put mascara on. I'm gonna go in with my wet Q-tip and lay that lash down. Okay, so I have the eyelash positioned the way I want, and you can see there's some excess glue up top, which is gonna work out in our favor because that's what we want. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bobby pin that I have just sort of bent out of shape, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the end. What I'm going to do is lay that glue just on the band of the lash and then let that get tacky. And then what I'm going to do is roll my eyelid skin over that glue. It sounds weird, sounds gross, but it actually works and it hides the lash band. Get a little more glue. Okay, so you can see I went ahead and put a little band of glue there, and if you have too much, just go back in with a wet Q-tip and sort of wipe the excess off. You don't want to have too much up there. And so now I'm just going to wait until that gets tacky, and then what I'm going to do is roll my eyelid skin over. The eyelid skin sounds gross. I'm going to roll it over the lash band, sort of squeezing it together, and you'll see how that will cover up the lash band, and bam, y'all tricking people all day long. Okay, so that glue is about dry. It's really tacky. So all I'm gonna do is just take my eyelid and roll it over the top of the lash. Just by pinching underneath and above, and rolling it down. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that again. Roll it. Just making sure that it's all stuck together. So you can see that my eyelid is completely covering the lash band, and it looks like it's your eyelash. It doesn't feel any different. It doesn't hurt your eyelid. It just feels like you have regular lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and let you guys watch how I do it. Okay, so I got the other lash on, and you can see that when you close your eyes, it looks like your lashes are growing out of your own skin. So like I said, this works best with lash bands that are thin. That way when you roll your eyelid over, it covers the band completely. It doesn't hurt at all. It feels like I'm wearing normal lashes. And the reason I mentioned that you want to put the lash out as straight as you can without fluffing it up, because when you roll your skin over the lash will, as you can see, will lift up. This one's lifted up a little too much, so I will usually throughout the day just sort of encourage that to go down a little bit so she's not like so. But yeah, anyway, that is it. I hope you guys like this little trick. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to check me out on other social medias. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, all MakeupMenaree. Anyway, oh, hit the notification bell so you guys can get here and watch videos when I post. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next time.